Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear students. As we have completed chapter number 1, unit 1, that is Introduction to Biology, but some scientific information is left, so let me describe it one by one. The very first we have that is structure. So what is structure? This term is used in different definition and explanation also, and in biology it's a very common term. So what does structure mean? In biology, structure means any part of the living organism that can be seen with the naked eye or with the help of microscope. In biology, structure means any part of the living organism that can be seen with the naked eye or with the help of microscope. So this was the definition or meaning of structure. Structure is something that can be seen by your naked eye and also by observation through microscope. The second is in embryology we study the development of an organism from a fertilized egg. It means that in embryology we study, as you know, we study embryos, and we study this embryo from the very first part of its development, that is from its fertilization. So embryology is the study of embryo, but from the very start, when the gametes form and they do fertilization of egg. So the third one we have, that is entomon. As you know, girls, entomon has been taken from entomology. Entomology is the study of insects. So entomon is a Greek term. Entomon means notched. What is notched? Notched means any segments or marks or parts of the body. Notched refers to the segmented body of the insects, as you have seen in different insects on the upper skin of the in different insect, like you have seen in the ants, like cockroaches, grasshoppers, etc. Their body is divided into some special segments: head, tail, and their abdomen. We mostly call it head, tail, and the abdomen. So this notch or this entomon means segments or marks of on the body of the insects. Now the last we have the most complex of all the matter are the living organisms. As you know, girls, that living organisms are the most complicated living matter on the planet Earth. However, we know that their body is made up of 16 elements called bioelements. As you know, girls, what is bioelements? So bioelements is the elements which make up the bodies of the organism, or the elements which make up the bodies of the living organisms or living bodies is called as bioelements, and they are these 16 make up the bodies of the living element out of total 123 elements. So this was about bioelements. Now last we have, that is about your transplantation organs. Like let me read it. The heart, brain, kidneys, eyes, and arterial blood vessels are the main targets of hypertension. Hypertension means high blood pressure, and hypotension means low blood pressure. So due to advancement in technologies, it is now possible to transplant some of these organs. As you know, nowadays transplantation is a very common surgery. So heart, kidneys, liver, and lungs can be transplanted easily. So kidneys are the most commonly transplanted organs, followed second by the liver and then the heart, and some tissues can also be transplanted, like your epithelial on the start of the skin tissues can also be transplanted very easily. So this was just due to the advancement in the technology, that some of the important organs of your body of living organism can be transplanted easily. This was all about your scientific information in chapter number 1.